Do they not know what they're doing? No. And people are cheering like that's not funny. No, it's not good.
Did you see them hit the floor?
Yeah.
Shut it down. They're not burying them properly.
No, they're not. Don was over there earlier and he looked at him and he said, that doesn't look right to me.
They're not burying them properly.
No, they're not.
They should shut it down right now before anybody gets hurt. That's twice.
Do more.
Hang on, guys.
Yell it.
Look at the grass on fire. You see the grass?
Yeah.
Are they gonna do more?
That's not safe out there. I don't care what.
Not so much.
Spectator, but I know.
You're right.
Not safe out
No,
there.
you're right. But that is the fire department putting it off, so they've got to have fire extinguishers.